All right, let's get started. So let's begin with a simple hands together in front of the heart space. And taking a few deep breaths. We can keep our eyes open at first and just taking a few relaxed breaths. Letting our gaze go soft. Beginning to feel that connection, the breath to the present moment, to the hands gently pressing together in front of the heart space. Using the breath to give yourself permission to enter this meditation, this sacred time of space, peace, and rest, and receiving. And whenever you are ready, you may, if you'd like, close your eyes, lower your hands down on your lap, and begin to simply notice in this moment what it feels like to have your eyes closed, what it feels like to breathe, and what it feels like to put all the cares aside, cares from earlier today, cares of things that you need to do later today, and drop into this present moment. Here you are, here we are, together, breathing. That's all. As you breathe, begin to direct your awareness to your heart space and allow yourself to take in the air directly into the heart. As you do this, you may feel the heart space opening, relaxing, becoming more gentle. Find more space in the heart now through the breath. Allow yourself to continue to drop into the breath throughout this meditation as we go forward and connect with our guides, with our angelic guides. All of us have angels that we can call upon. We have our personal guardian angel or angelic team. And then we also have the angels that everyone calls upon, the archangels, the famous angels. And it feels very good to call upon them today, this beautiful, beautiful day. So as we breathe into the heart, making room for them, if it feels good, we can again bring our hands together, palm to palm in front of the heart, and feel that reverence, that humility, that bowing feeling. And we ask for healing today. So in this moment, I'd like to invite you to bring to mind one area of your life that needs attention, that needs assistance and healing. It could be a relationship. It could be a physical issue. It could be something you're trying to manifest. Bring this forward now in your mind, this area of concern. And now, as you have it, visualize that intention for healing as taking a specific shape. So, allow it to spontaneously morph in your mind into a shape. That shape need not be complex. It could be a heart, it could be a sun, it could be a cloud. Allow your mind to spontaneously form whatever shape is resonant for that intention. And once you have that shape in your mind, allow that shape to become real. Really see it. Really feel it. Maybe even the shape has a smell or a taste or a texture. Bring it to life in your mind. And then once you can really sense that shape, that intention, that request for healing, allow it now to gently fall into your outstretched hands. So now you can gently open up your hands, and you can look at me for a moment if you need guidance on what I'm saying. So open up your hands in front of you and hold that healing request in your hands. See it there, feel it there. We invite in this moment Archangel Raphael, the Archangel of healing, light, completion, assistance, to come forward now. We call to him. So you may out loud in this moment say, Archangel Raphael, please come. Or simply in your mind, you may whisper, Archangel Raphael, please come. Please come. You may start to sense a warmth around you. It may be a very subtle shift that you can feel in your heart. Maybe it's simply that your body relaxes a little bit more. Invite Archangel Raphael to come into your field now. Invite him to touch you with his uplifting wings. Invite him here and now into your heart. Allow Archangel Raphael to do his work inside of you now. So inviting him into your heart, invite him into you, literally imagining him merging his energy with yours. He wants to do this. He wants to help. Imagine him cleaning out all the areas of fear, doubt, worry, and uplifting you into a more radiant vibration. Continuing to hold your hands outstretched with that healing intention as he does this work on you here and now. All you need to be open is open to receive. That's all. Even just a little bit goes a long way. Breathing, feeling any changes you may be feeling. And then when you're ready, when you sense that it's time, allow Archangel Raphael to again emerge out from you. Allow him to drift upwards, up back into the angelic realms, into the sky, into the cosmos. And then offer to him your healing intention that you hold in your hands. So simply bring your hands forward and up, and then let it go. Release that intention up. Watch that shape travel upwards and feel Archangel Raphael taking that intention into himself. He's got it now. He's taking care of it. It's off your hands, out of your hair, out of your shoulders. Take a big, deep breath, a big sigh of relief. You can literally let that thing go now, knowing that it is being taken care of by a higher benevolent force. Feeling any shifts in your body now. Noticing what's there. Continuing to breathe into the heart. Enjoying this moment of peace and surrender. Enjoying this moment of love. And knowing that you can return to that relationship with Raphael at any time, any place. He's there for you. An angel is a reflection of our deepest, deepest longings. It is a manifestation in form of the love we deserve and the love that we are. It is a dream come true, a dream for you. We will end this meditation by feeling gratitude. So allow yourself to tune into that feeling, that vibration of gratitude, perhaps in your mind thinking, thank you, thanking the Archangel, thanking yourself for taking this moment for healing. Bowing our heads in reverence. Namaste. Hey friends, thank you so much for tuning into this video today. I appreciate you. If you are wanting, needing, desiring some extra support and inspiration in your life right now, please do check out my membership group, Waking Up with Anya. The link is here on the screen and also in the description box below. Take good care, and I look forward to meeting with you more.